Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something a little new that I haven't done before. I'm going to be organizing. So I got this new shelf today and I needed to clear up space on my vanity and empty some of the drawers in my vanity because I was running out of room. So I got a new shelf to put all my hair stuff in. That way I could keep my makeup and hair tools and all that stuff separated to give me more room because my makeup collection has been growing of late. So yeah, if you guys are interested in like these organizing videos, let me know because I'm trying to branch out and do more type like lifestyle stuff, I guess you would say, on my channel. I'm gonna be doing my backdrop video soon. I film my videos ahead of time, so sometimes they're out of order, so you might see it up already. Like I do it all different because with the 2 kids and a small house, I'm limited to when I can film. So yeah, long intro, but yeah, if you guys are interested in this, let me know, and then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And let's get into the organization. Okay, I got this little shelf organizer thingy off of Amazon for like $30, and I'm just gonna quickly put it together. It was pretty easy to put it together, but it's not honestly the best quality in my opinion, but it'll work for what I need to use it for. Putting on the last knob for the last drawer, and then there's this little top part to put on it, and it was a little tricky to get it because it's kind of bent, but yeah, that is the shelf. Okay, so this is how the vanity is set up right now. I'm going to be moving all of my hair stuff, so this is going to move, all of these are going to move, and then this is going to move, and then I'm going to be taking out my empty bin out of here because I need more room in my vanity. And then all of my other hair stuff is down here. I'm going to be taking that out as well. And then over here, I'm going to be taking out this stuff. This is like my nail stuff, other random stuff. And I'm going to move all of my lip stuff over here. And then I'm going to turn this whole drawer into like my everyday drawer. And I'm going to be doing like an everyday series, like every month, basically. And I'm also going to be doing a lipstick declutter soon, so be on the lookout for that. So yeah, I'm going to move all that stuff over here. Now that I have everything out of the vanity, I'm going to start putting it all in the organizer. I had to rearrange it a couple times, but I eventually got it to where I wanted. And as you notice, some of the shelves kind of came off the slats, and I had to keep fixing those. Okay, so this is the vanity up top. Now that I moved everything, I have a lot more space up here. So right here is going to be my everyday drawer once I get that sorted out. Then these top two ones are just eyeshadow palette drawers. And this is just, this has like face paints and jewels, and this has jewels in it too, like stuff I would use for Halloween. And then wipes, I have lashes, single shadows, glitters, liners. This drawer is really hard to close. And then we have all of my lip stuff. And then you come over to this side, we have bronzers, blush, highlighters, foundation, primers, concealers, powders. And then I moved over here is my empties bin. I definitely need to wipe everything down and clean it off. But then over here is where we have all the hair stuff now. So a bunch of hair stuff up here, blow dryer, straightener. I put all of my scrunchies in this one, all of my hair scarves in here, all of my headbands and clippies. Here I have just a bunch of spray stuff. And then I have my hairspray, dry shampoos. And then this is just a bunch of random stuff. I have my stencils for eyeshadow swatches, Q-tips, stickers, random stuff. And then all of my nail stuff is in here. And then the rest of my hair tools and my brush are in here. This bin is nice, but as you can see, like some of the stuff keeps popping off. I mean, it's not like the best quality, but honestly, it does the job for now. So yeah, that is my new little updated workstation area. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like these type of organization videos, let me know and I will be sure to do more of them. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you next time. Bye.